welcome back to X2 Sisters Fun Tube. And today we're gonna be doing a mukbang. So let's get started. And we're doing a McDonald's. Oh my god, my foot bites here. My chicken nuggets. Yeah. And a toy, what do I have? Up here! Yeah. They came with toys. And it's closed. It's a plot. Napkins. So, let me get my towel. Not done. Enough time, but I'm going to be in my pen fight. In my chicken nugget butt. There. It's open my chicken nugget. So, how was your day? How was it? Good. How was your day? I guess good. Hey, what's your question? What? What's your question? What was you doing? Eating? Oh, what's your favorite place to eat? McDonald's. My favorite, I don't know. What's your favorite fruit?
Apple. Did I got apple? And when we're done, we're going to open the toy.
What's your favorite yogurt flavor?
What? What's my favorite yogurt flavor? Grape.
I never tried a grape flavor yogurt.
I do.
My school day is gonna go great tomorrow. Do you like chicken nuggets or do you like chicken tenders?
Chicken nuggets.
I like both.
Do you like making videos?
Of course. Why do you?
Yeah.
Close your mouth while you're talking. Stop laughing. This is just embarrassing.
You just doing.
Relax. I really mean it. It's just going great. Just relax.
It's funny that it's going great.
Do you like Mario or Luigi?
Then Luigi at well, I'm gonna do Luigi.
That's Mario.
Oh. I
Green,
got myself butt.
green is Luigi.
What is Mario?
Mario, yes. So we're eating fries, chicken nuggets,
Apple
apples.
sauce.
She has apple slices. I have yogurt,
Yeah.
which I really ate.
I will have more.
Okay, stop chewing while you're eating. And close your mouth while you're eating. Tex, close your mouth. That's gross.
Um, do you like holidays? um, um,
I'm about to run out.
you come on.
Okay, I'll eat these after now. Tex, stop.
The drinking. I need my napkin. I don't know. The wow. Oh my God, look.
I have one more too, and it's a very squishy.
We both got the same one, look. Pretty belly. You know what he's taking the nut?
No, chicken nuggets. She got apple juice and I got Coke.
And one of those. I'm coffee. We got milkshake. Or you think I copy?
There's nothing funny here, Tex.
No.
Wow, this is very...
Look up, boy. Look, guys.
I need to hurry up and eat this because
I will myself up. Wait. After when all done here, we got you. What?
I don't know if we're gonna open that on video.
Yes, we are.
This is good.
This is fun. I just fun. What do you do? I got one on the top. Papa on the top. What do you got on the top? I got brown on the bottom, blue on the...
I got purple and red on the top.
Me too!
And now all I need is fries.
No. No, why?
Fries.
Why?
Close your mouth. Tex, I really mean it. That's gross. Hurry up.
Me. Wow!
Did you eat your apple? You're taking forever.
Well, you have to move too.
Yes, get it out of my face. Wonder Woman is Supergirl or Harley Quinn.
Oh, what?
Harley Quinn, Supergirl, or Wonder Woman?
Woman.
Of course. Mine? I don't know. I don't know what that reason was to take it, but yeah. I like cracking these.
That's cool. When I got my finger to my mouth,
She literally almost fell off the chair. We even caught it on camera. I thought this was my dipping sauce. So then all you see me do is like that.
that thing got me up.
I'm already done, Tex.
You're cracking myself up.
You're cracking me.
I get Ellie doing in the back.
I'm done.
Yeah, I don't want no more pie drop it.
Okay,
They're not that. They're not doing that.
Yes. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!